Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language and currency of the Banggood application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. And after that, tap on this account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings that can be found in the upper right corner. Click on account settings. No, actually scroll down to the middle of the screen as you can see. And here you can find this ship to section. So you should select your region. Then you can select your currency. As you can see, dollar is the default option at the top, but feel free to change it. So tap on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically, as you can see. Now if you want to select the language, then just go back to this settings section and tap on language, where you can select from a bunch of languages. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.